Loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my start to finish natural hair wash day routine for healthy hair and length retention. As you guys know, I have been natural mainly my entire life. I've had one texturizer when I was a kid, and then I transitioned, went back natural, and then I started wearing a bunch of protective styles like back to back to back, and I end up getting traction alopecia. So after my alopecia kind of cleared up, I wore a wig. I did a complete big chop. Whenever there was no more patches and my hair was fully grown in, I did a complete big chop. And I've been taking care of my hair ever since. I've been very intentional about my healthy hair journey. So I wanted to give you guys all of my favorite natural hair care tips and tricks that I use to make sure my hair is healthy and thriving. In this hair journey, have been locked in for a while, so let's go ahead and get into it. I want to thank SheaMoisture for sponsoring this video. Today we're going to be using their Bond Repair collection, which is one of my favorite collections from SheaMoisture. They never miss with their collections, but this one is so bomb, and I love that we finally have bonding products meant for our hair, so curly and coily type strands. The SheaMoisture Bond Repair line with Amla oil is a 4-step system, and I've been using it non-stop on wash day. It includes a shampoo, a conditioner, a deep conditioner mask, and a leave-in conditioner. I also love to use the Bond oil, and I'm going to be doing a complete braid out today in my stylers. I'm going to be using the leave-in and the Bond Repair oil. So let's get into some of my favorite tips. Now, number one, I had to learn the hard way is that you have to give your hair a break from protective styles. Back then, I was doing nonstop sew-ins, nonstop braids, just so much tension and pulling and tugging on my hair. It completely broke my hair down to the point where there was no return, and I had to completely start over. Like, my hair was just shedding so much every time I touched it. It was a hard time for me. Like, I was so young and my hair is falling out. I feel like I have to hide under a wig. It was a very tough time for me. And so I literally prayed for my hair to grow back. And I said, okay, if my hair grows back, I'm going to appreciate my hair, because I also just always felt like, ugh, my hair never does right. It always frizzes. None of the products work right. So I'm so happy nowadays we have so many good options and so many good lines made specifically for our hair, just like this Bond Repair collection that's made for curly and coily hair. So my next tip is to deep condition regularly. And this may seem simple, but it's not. You need to be deep conditioning weekly, and I say at least give your hair 10 minutes to let that deep conditioner sit in, more if you can. And it makes a huge difference, and it really helps put the moisture and just put some nutrients back into our hair. My third tip is use products that are made for your hair type. And when I say this, I say don't just go grab a conditioner and shampoo 2-in-1. Actually get stuff that's going to nourish your hair, that's made with good ingredients, like the Bond Repair line. It's made with Amla oil, known to nourish hair, Hydroplex, which rebuilds bonds, and Amino Blend Plus, and which helps with replenishing damaged proteins. This line is made to help with 84% less breakage, making hair 6 times stronger. I love how it's infused with all of the good things like Amla oil, Hydroplex infusion, Amino Blend, and fair trade shea butter. I notice a huge difference when using this line, and that's one thing that has been very helpful on my hair journey, is actually finding products that work for my hair, that help my hair retain moisture. And that all just makes me feel good about my natural hair journey. I want to know down below, what is your favorite natural hair tip for any newbies or anyone that's an OG and is just kind of getting a little burnt out? Definitely check out the Bond Repair Amla oil line from SheaMoisture. I'll have it linked in my bio. Love and blessings, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.